All right, good day, Bailey co-teachers and case managers. So this particular tutorial, I want to talk to you guys about the new process that we're going to do when we are filling in for our uh, SPED kiddos who are for next year's course selection. So what I would like for you guys to do is go ahead and follow me along on this one. The idea is that we want to ensure that you guys are putting in the correct classes for them for next year. So, for example, I'm going to start with, I'll just use an example right here. I know this is, I'm going to start with, let's say, Dennis Taylor. Okay, so I don't know, this is Miss McNeely's student. So, when you go through this, uh, Google Sheet, if Miss McNeely is the one that's filling this in, it'll automatically fill in that it's Miss McNeely. So I know they said it was Taylor, first name, last name is Taylor, and the first name was Dennis. Okay, so Dennis is here. Now I don't know what Dennis ID number is, but let's assume it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now Dennis's gender is male, and then he will be an eighth grader next year. So you're gonna click that, and when you hit next, it's gonna ask you. This is where it's gonna be tricky right here. It's going to ask you what class will he be in next year? Will it be a regular math, a pre-AP, algebra 1, math co-teach, math in-class support, or is he a case student? So you just go ahead and put in whatever it is that, go back to his IEP or go back to his, files, and what class will he be in next year on these classes. So that way we have a great information that we need. Now, here is where it gets interesting, okay? For the electives, you won't know what their electives are, but I am sending you this file right here, and this file tells you that hopefully Dennis Taylor, let's say Dennis Taylor is here. So look at that. Dennis Taylor has filled in his file, and then he actually wanted electives and investigating careers. So you're going to go here, and then investigating careers is what he wanted. I think it was investigating careers in STEM and data entry. So that's what he wanted. And then the second one is principles of human services. So second elective is Principles of Human Services. And third is Technical Theater. You want a Technical Theater right there. That's the class that he wanted. And then Art Middle School MS4. And that's what he wanted. Art Middle School MS2, sorry. There you go. So it's OF 31220. That's what it is right there. And so now, once you have this, you have to hit submit. And there you go. Now you're done with Dennis Taylor. Now you go on to the next one. Now, obviously, you go through your list of students that you have on your caseload. And then here's the interesting part though. Notice that there's only 22 students in here. In other words, we still have some students who have not done their course selection sheet. Now, please identify who they are. We have a list here of the students that our SPED list right here. And these are all the students that have submitted. Look for these kiddos that are here right now. These are currently 6th graders, but they will be 7th graders next year, so just find them. These kids right here, they all have not done their course selection yet. So I would strongly suggest, if they are on your caseload, look for them, find them, reach out to them, and that way you know what electives they're gonna get, and you need to put in for them. Our counselors are working hard right now to get these kids close to as much as possible, but you have a better probably relationship with these kids, so reach out to them, please, so that way you can get it going. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you guys out. I will send you this list at the same time. So again, these are the students that are SPED kids that have already submitted, and therefore they will have, not that they submitted the work, okay? That means that they have submitted their electives. So you go through here. If they're a 7th grader, you go through here and find their name, and these are the electives that they have submitted with us. And therefore, this is what we're going to use, what you are going to use to put in on the system. Okay, I will send this and I will send the other file. The reason why I want this is I want you guys to view this so that way when we schedule a meeting, and I will schedule a meeting with you guys, if you have any questions to clarify, everything is smoother and you guys have done it already. Some of you guys will probably get this done right away, and I'm appreciative of that. And thank you very much. Have a good day.